good, loyal gang? So I'm back in this thing, y'all, with another video. So today, y'all, is gonna be another hair transformation. Y'all want to make sure y'all stay tuned towards the end of the video so y'all can see the kids' reaction to this bomb wig. So this wig right here is from WIGNEE Hair. I've worked with them before in the past, y'all, and their hair is so bomb. Okay, this is what came in my packaging. I got a wig cap, some lashes, and a paddle brush. So right here, y'all, we have the wig. I love the box that it came in. I love that it's lined, like satin lined. But yeah, so this is the construction of the wig. It has the two combs on the side and then a comb in the middle and then a comb in the back. And then it has the adjustable straps. I love that this is their 4x4 lace closure wig. And you can see where you can actually part it at if you chose to. And then this is how the hair looks. It's so full, 150 density, and it is in natural black. So I don't know if y'all can really see the color right here, but this color, y'all, is literally jet black. It looks so shiny and healthy. This hair, y'all, is beautiful. It's so pretty. So right here, I'm just taking my flat iron through and I'm just showing y'all how I straighten the hair. This is after I got done bleaching my knots. I really didn't go too hard on bleaching the knots because I knew I was going to be doing a different type of style with this wig. So yeah, so I'm just taking y'all through the process of me straightening it. Alright, y'all, so I'm just showing y'all exactly how the wig looks after I got done flat ironing it. Flat ironing it is so silky, y'all. This has to be the silkiest hair that I've ever had. Like, I'm just gonna say that. Like, it's crazy how silky bone straight this hair got. But yeah, so this is how the hair looks. I did go in and lightly pluck it. Y'all see the shine on this hair. Like, I can't make this up. Like, I literally only put a little bit of heat protectant on this hair and y'all see how silky it is. It's so pretty. So yeah, so I knew I wanted to do a fringe bangs. So I'm just taking my wax stick and I'm just kind of molded it into that style. And y'all ended up burning my stuff right here. We ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about it. But yeah, so I just parted out a little section from my hair for my bang. I didn't want it too wide. You know, you don't want to do too wide. You don't want to do too short either. So you got to kind of judge it based on your own face shape. So then I'm just taking my comb and I'm just creating like a little middle part. It don't have to be perfect. You just want it to be flat and just have that natural look. So that's why I'm pressing it out with my hot comb. And then right here, I'm just showing y'all how I cut my bang. This is not a tutorial, I'm not perfect. But yeah, so I'm just twisting it and then I'm just cutting straight across. And then I'm gonna, y'all, I changed this bang up so many times because I'm still learning how to cut my bangs and get them how I like them. But I'm just kind of, you know, just playing around with it, just seeing how I like it. But I did go in and add some more hair to it because as y'all can see, it was a little thin, it was a little see-through. You know, I don't like that see-through look. But if you like that, then you can stop right here. But I did add some more hair in it. So I'm just taking it and twisting it once again. Like I said, you just customize it and keep customizing until you get it to your liking. Alright, y'all, so it's a few days later after I went ahead and cut the wig. So I'm about to go ahead and show y'all how I install it. So I am going to be doing a glueless install with this wig. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I install this wig. Y'all, it's so easy. That's what I love about bang wigs. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to worry about no ball cap. You don't have to worry about laying no lace, none of that. So I don't use any of the combs on the side. I just use the comb in the back, and then I use the adjustable straps. And this wig fits me perfect. And I did go in and cut some more of this wig because I was not feeling the thin, like, y'all, it was a little too spaced out for me to bang part. So I did go in and cut more of this wig. Y'all, when I tell y'all this hair is so silky, it's crazy how silky this hair is. So I'm gonna just tell y'all this now. My cutting is not perfect. Y'all saw how the wig was before when I initially cut it. I did have to go back in and cut it some more just so I could thin out the top part a little bit more. I did have to add more hair into my bang as well. When I tell y'all it's so hard cutting bangs with lashes, y'all know I got eyelash stitches on. And it's so hard for me to get like a good cut with this wig. So it's been a few days since I went ahead and customized this wig. I've been wearing it on and off. And when I tell y'all, this is the hair that you don't have to worry about. You don't have to worry about no shedding, no tangling. It's so low maintenance, and the fact that I'm not gluing it down every single day, I'm just, you know, taking it on, taking it off. It's so easy. So this is how it's looking. I'm about to go ahead and show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I do to style it. So simple. First, I take my liquid mousse spray, and then I just spray it right here on the top. I just do like 2 little light sprays, that's it. I take my hot comb, and I just smooth it out. And this is my first time, y'all, this is my second time doing bangs. And this is my first time doing like bangs with the little part. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a little part. I can't wait till I get better at cutting fringes because I just love this look. I had to go and change my earrings real quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some bio silk. Y'all know I love my bio silk. So I'm gonna just put a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much, especially not too much on the bang because I don't want it to get weighed down. One thing I noticed about this hair is that it's literally jet black. It's no brown in this hair, none of that. No brown nowhere. It's literally jet black. I love that for this wig, this style, this cut, everything. I love that it's jet black. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my flat iron. I got it on 410 degrees. And I'm just gonna run my flat iron through it. As y'all can see, the hair is already pretty much straight. And I've literally been wearing this wig and it's still straight. I will say that my bangs may need to be cut just a little bit more because I feel like it's kind of in my eyes, but I'm not gonna cut it again. Like I really cut this wig up and I don't want to mess it up. So I always get to a point where I be like, okay, you're done. You literally, I have to tell myself like, you're done. Because I sit there and cut this wig all the way up and be mad because it ain't turn out good. This is literally some of the softest hair I've ever had. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do my bang. So don't talk about my bang, y'all. I went in and chopped it up. But I was going for more of a fringe look, like I said. So I went in with them scissors and went a little crazy. So it's a little choppy, but I had to do what needed to be done to get the look that I wanted. So I'm just taking that and just bringing it straight down. I am doing a slight curve. I'm just taking it little section by section. I'm just taking little sections and just straightening it down. Like I said, the fringe is not perfect, but it's good enough for me. Y'all done burnt myself one time, so I gotta be careful with this thing. Now, and then that's literally it, y'all. That's literally all that I do with this wig. It's so easy, so simple, so cute. And I just kind of play around with my bangs and get them how I want them. I could have got away with leaving a little bit less hair out for the bang, but I kind of like it like this. I kind of feel like it's not too thin. It's not like see-through. I don't want it to be see-through. Like, I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I don't like see-through bangs. Well, see-through fringe or whatever. But yeah, like I feel like this is effortless. It's cute. Just take my paddle brush. Got to have the paddle brush. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all a few different looks that I'm gonna do with this hair. Obviously, with a bang, you can't really do much as far as like a part, but I love that when the wind blows, none of my hair is gonna show or anything like that. One style that I do want to do with this wig is either pull it all back and put it in a ponytail. I could do that, or I could pull it back, or I could wear it up on top of my head. I could do like a little clip if I wanted to, you know, like a little messy. Y'all, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna get Maya and Bria reaction to my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna ask Maya and Bria what they think about it. My hair, y'all, they love when I switch my hair up. So let's call them in here. Maya, Bria.
We're coming. Wow.
All right, so I had to adjust the camera so that way y'all can see them. So what y'all think about Mama new hair?
I like the bangs. I like your hair and I like your bangs.
You like the bangs?
Wait.
Thank you.
Wait, let me tell you something. Is that your real hair?
No, it's not my real hair.
Oh, I thought it was your real hair.
Based on how this hair looks on Mommy, what do y'all rate it? 1 out of 10.
Anna.
What? What you rate it?
Your hair beautiful.
Thank you. What did you rate it?
10?
The 10? What you rate it? A 10? Thank you. Okay. Y'all heard their reaction to my hair, so y'all heard it. They said it's a 10. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this hair on me. I'm definitely loving it. I don't know, I just feel like I needed something I need a little switch up. Like, I ain't want no middle part, no side part. I just wanted something different. And me, y'all, personally, y'all, I love, when it comes to 4x4 closures, I feel like this is the perfect style. It looks more natural versus like the part. Me, I love 5x5s now. So this is the perfect style when it comes to the 4x4 closure wigs. Make sure y'all head on over there to WIGNEE Hair and check out this wig. This is my second unit from WIGNEE, and I'm telling y'all, their hair is bomb quality. They have some of the softest hair, y'all. The softest hair. I told y'all this hair is so silky. It's so bone straight, y'all. It's crazy. So if y'all are looking for some bomb quality wigs, make sure y'all check them out. I'll have all the links down below. I can't stop looking at myself clearly. This the one right here. This the one for me. I'm going to be wearing this wig. Y'all going to see this wig because I'm going to be wearing, this is going to be my go-to. I ain't got to worry about no lace, no glue, none of that. This wig fit my head perfect, and I'm loving it. I'm loving this style. I'm loving the switch up. I'm here for it. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this hair on me, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you guys. Peace. Loyal. Gang. Gang.